In this video, I'm going to show you the new buy sell indicator that we have developed for the trading view, and that consists of three levels on our chart. And there is a moving average on the chart that is helping us to take our trading decisions. For example, if you have checked my Friday video, or if you are into my Telegram group, then you must have seen that from Friday I was saying on gold that the price is above the moving average and it is rejected from the blue level. Now it's the time to take a buy position. Okay, and first of all, our TP remains at the green level, and then you can see the market exactly tested the top level. Okay, and when the market starts today, then first of all it comes down to retest the green level that is on the screen that you can see. And then I have supplied the bullish signal in my group on Telegram, and you can join the Telegram group right from the description of this video. There is a link available in it, and then you can see the market exactly targeted the top red level. Okay, now when this is the maximum take profit that we can take. Okay, now when the take profits are hit, now guys, you can play with this indicator exactly at the retracements from the moving average. Okay, so until unless it does not breaks below properly below the green level, and it does not come below the moving averages, then we cannot consider this one to be into the bearish trend. Okay, and this is still I am right now into the trade, and still I am into the buy trade, because first of all I cut my buy trades from I executed from here. I have shown in Telegram group I cut below the red level, and now I am just trading these retracements. Okay, so this is the super accurate indicator that provides you very easy access to the trading market. No time waste, because otherwise you will be simply confused that what to do in what cases, because every indicator will take you towards the buy sell, and you will be simply shocked at what I need to do. For example, just look at this. This is how this indicator do. This is rejected from the top, and almost you can see it hit the blue level. So the long trading, I mean the swing trading, is quite possible with this indicator. Just look at this example. Euro AUD, sorry, Euro AUD was rejected from the green level. Then we will wait for the price to come above the moving averages, and then here you can take a buy position, and now you can see the market exactly targeted the top level, and this is your maximum take profit. You will not hold your trade more than it. Okay, just take another example of USD CAD. It was rejected from here, and it comes above the moving average here. You took a buy, first TP here, and then the market retested the green level, and now you can see it exactly hit the top level. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. Okay, I think so I have given one more signal in the group I have shown in. Yes, if you go to my Telegram channel, then you will see that I have given that signal that USD CHF is weak, because it is getting the rejection from the top, and now you can see almost it went near to the blue level. So this is the real opportunity that this indicator gives you. So for example, now just imagine this is the AUD JPY chart. It is basically, it has received a boost from here. It retested that level. So might be at the end of the day, you will see the market is here. Okay, so if it breaks the green level successfully and makes a retest on that level, then it's pretty sure that it is going to target the red level, and this is how this indicator works. Let me show you the Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see the Bitcoin basically retested this green level, and now you can see again it's up above the moving averages. So it's a clear sign that the Bitcoin is going to target the 93,200 or 100 somewhere here, because this looks very very bullish. Okay, so this is how this indicator works on every time frame. Okay, and this indicator is applicable in forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you trade. The local market that is supported on TradingView, definitely it works. Okay, now you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. You can visit my website fxmentorus.com. The links are provided in the description of this video below, and this is the super accurate and easy approach indicator for the swing trading and even scalping. Thank you very much for watching this video.